Right guys, while I'm at this, there's also a, can't even remember what they're called, Toyota Supra coming in now. But I have to say, those last few Lamborghinis that went by, oh wait, here it comes now, 2 Supras. But I have to say, just in real life, the amazing sound that you get out of Lamborghini Aventadors, them with their, and I think 6-litre v12s, it's just amazing sound you get. It's unbelievable. And I just wish that, you know, it was as good as it is in real life on video. Guys, we now have a G-Wagon coming in. Nice. Mini Cooper S. Ford Mustang. AMG GT. BMW M4. Jaguar F-Type. V6. I think we have an S3 coming now. No, RS3. We got a Bentley here now. Watch these things going over the hill. Look how quick they'll go.
Oh yes, I hear. Oh yes, I hear them come. I hear.
Oh, Lamborghinis. Oh, baby. Oh, boy, yeah. V6 F-Type.